Ever pondered over what xanthines are or how they influence our body? Well, today we delve into the fascinating world of xanthines, a term that might sound like something from a science fiction novel, but is actually a key player in our everyday lives. Xanthines, in essence, are a group of alkaloids, widely distributed in plants, some insects, and human tissues. They're naturally occurring compounds found in many of the foods and beverages we consume daily. Coffee? Yes, that's got xanthines. Tea, chocolate, even certain types of fruits. They all contain these curious compounds. These compounds aren't just randomly floating about in our foods, they serve a purpose, a rather important one at that. Xanthines are known to stimulate the heart and central nervous system. They act as a bronchodilator, expanding the air passages and aiding in respiratory function. So that morning cup of coffee does more than just wake you up. It's also giving your respiratory system a bit of a boost. But that's not all. Xanthines also have diuretic properties, helping the body get rid of unnecessary salts and water. They are often used in the treatment of conditions like asthma and certain heart diseases, as well as in the development of pharmaceuticals. Now, you might be wondering, how do these xanthines get into our food and drinks? The answer lies in the natural metabolic processes of the plants and insects that produce them. For instance, in coffee plants, xanthines are produced as a part of the plant's metabolic processes and then extracted during the brewing process. However, xanthines can also be synthetically produced in laboratories, using a process known as methylation. This is the process by which methyl groups are added to a molecule, and in this case, the molecule is xanthine. This means that even if a food or drink doesn't naturally contain xanthines, they can be added later during production. While xanthines provide several benefits, like all things, they must be consumed in moderation. High levels of xanthines can lead to side effects such as restlessness, insomnia, and in severe cases can even lead to a condition known as xanthinuria, where high levels of xanthine are found in the blood and urine. So to summarize what we've learned today, xanthines are naturally occurring compounds found in many of the foods and beverages we consume. They stimulate the heart and central nervous system, aid in respiratory function, and have diuretic properties. They are produced naturally in plants and insects, but can also be synthetically produced in labs. While beneficial in many ways, they must be consumed in moderation to avoid potential side effects. A fascinating compound, isn't it? So next time you're sipping on that cup of coffee or enjoying a piece of chocolate, remember the xanthines working silently in the background and appreciate the complex world of chemistry that exists in our everyday lives.